Welcome back, office executives. In here we are given the names of some sales agent, and we want to find out their top. We want to find out the top and the bottom. The top and bottom means who is the gainer and who is the least salesperson. So for top we can easily use the minimum function. It's simple. So minimum of all of the sales data, that is the top one. So 24. So whoever scored 24, whoever sold 24, he is the top performer. Sorry, top means top would be max. So whoever here it would be max. So 78, he is the top performer, and for the bottom we can use the formula bottom. Uh, for bottom we can use the formula minimum. So minimum out of this range. So these are simple maximum minimum, the top and the bottom. But I want to share a tricky one, that is the top 3 performer and the bottom 3 performer. So herefore we will be using the function small. So this is the array, this is the range. We need to lock it. So F4 comma. So top 3. No, for top 3 we will be using large. My bad. For top 3 we will be using the function large. Fine. So it would be large. So top 3. So 1 braces close, enter, and we'll be simply dragging it. Fine. Okay. So it's also 1. Okay. So fine. So what we can do is that if we need to change the value from 1 then to 2 and then the third one to 3. Is there any other way around so that we can find it in the large? So we'll be using large, and the range is this one. We need to lock it. So F4 and 1. So I'll be using the row function. So we are in the fourth row. Fine. So row minus fourth row, we need to find row minus 3, that's 1. Now let's drag it to the bottom. Yeah. So it's a modified function. I'm using large, inside that we are using the function row. So for bottom, similar, equal to small. The function name is small. This is the range, and you need to lock it so that when we are using the autofill feature and dragging all the way across, the range doesn't change. F4 comma row. So we are in which row? So here it is written 8. So minus 7, enter, 24, and if we drag all the way across to the down, 27, 29. So how to know that the top 3 and the bottom 3 are showing the correct value? So let me select the range, and from home there is for custom sort. From custom sort by sales data, A to Z, smallest to largest, no, largest to smallest, okay. So 78, 53, 51, fine, and bottom 24, 24, 27, 29. Here is the value. So in this particular video we discussed maximum minimum. This is a common function used in Excel to find the max value and the min value. And if we select this range of sale, also in the status bar it is showing min 24 and maximum 78. In the status bar, if it doesn't show, we can right click and check the options which I want in the status bar to be shown. But what if someone wants to know the second greatest value or the fourth smallest value? Then we can easily use this function small and large. So it's not top and bottom. The name of the function is small and large, and I made a small change to this. So when I was using the top value, I had to manually change from 1 to 2 to 3. So what if I want to, I will be dragging and it will change automatically. So you can use this particular function. I used large along with a function known by the name of row. So row returns the row number minus 3. Fine. So the row changes in each of the columns. So here it is row. This one is let me select it, fourth. So fourth the next one will be 5. 5 minus 3 minus the value would be 2. So that's a small video. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and I just want to add that do practice it. Otherwise, if you want to do it, there might be some error, there might be some changes. So just practice and let me know in the comment section if you faced some error, and if you have any theoretical way to, I mean, if you want to clear out some doubts against this video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.